Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes. This is a coffee scrub that I use almost twice a week. I don't know if that's too often, but my skin is not sensitive, so I can use it for up to twice a week. If you guys think you can't, then you should use it maybe once a week. But this scrub is amazing. There's no point going out and spending and buying one. You can make an equally good one at home, and it's oil based and sugar based and coffee based, so it can sit in a jar as well. You can make a larger quantity and put it in a small jar. Recipe is such that you mix all the ingredients and then you go inside the shower. You wet your body with like that shower thing coming down on you once, and then you just take it and you massage it into your butt, your legs, your chest area, your underarms, your hands, and it removes like an entire layer of skin. It's so good. Your skin feels like baby skin. I'm going to do it on my hands and show you today. It's like amazing. I don't even know how to tell you. The scrub is brilliant. And I've also heard that coffee has like caffeine in it, which like rejuvenates your skin, like it perks it up a bit. I even actually use it on my face, but I do not recommend it for everyone because I have very sturdy skin. Nothing happens to it. Before we get started, I would like to request all of you to please like, share and subscribe my videos. Subscribe on the channel so you get new videos like these to watch all the time and you'll be updated. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm going to be using fine ground coffee. This is not instant coffee. It's like the regular coffee that you use for filter coffee. Make sure it's fine ground, otherwise the scrub will be too rough. And we don't want that. And then 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm using ground jaggery. You can use brown sugar, palm sugar, ground jaggery. You can use sugar and grind it up in your mixer and put it in. Sugar really makes the skin soft, so we're using sugar because of that. And then I'm using some coconut oil. I've already measured it out. It's 2 tablespoons. And you just mix it in and mix it well so the sugar breaks up and the scrub is nice and of the same texture throughout. And now I'm going to demo it with my hands. Okay, so this is my hand before the scrub. I'm holding the camera with the other hand so I can just show you one hand. And now I am going to be washing my hand in the kitchen sink to give you an idea of how it like works. So I've just like started scrubbing in circular motions, up, down, just like working into the skin and removing all the dead skin from my hands. Keep going till you feel like all the dead skin has come off. Get everywhere. Just don't be like hard, okay? Like so hard that you damage your skin. Be gentle. But just like go in like circular motion, get everywhere and just sort of like remove all the dry skin. And I'm washing off. You should use like hot water. It will be faster. I was in the kitchen sink. So this is cold water. It took a little longer. After this, you can like wash with soap. If you're in the shower, right now I'm not. I just wiped it off with a towel. And these are my hands after. They feel super moisturized from the coconut oil. Baby soft and clean. And this is how your body is going to feel. Okay guys, as you can see, my hands are all smooth and soft. I had a bath shortly after making that video for you and applied the scrub all over my body. And my skin is feeling amazing. My face is feeling like really nice. So please guys, go ahead, go home, like once you're done watching, like at home, make this and use the scrub in your shower. And I am sure you will not regret it. Try it. Bye.